Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to our new show, Hi Mommy. So, Hi Mommy is all about a mother daughter relationship and how to have a very strong bond with your mother and how to have a very strong bond with your daughter, where you come to a point where you become buddies and you are able to share everything about your life to each other.
I think moms and daughters have a very love hate relationship. Like, I remember while growing up, I was so scared of you. You were scary.
Do I look scary?
Mom, you were very scary. You have to agree. You were scary and strict and a disciplinarian, but also strict, okay? Like, you had these weird rules. A lot of them make sense to me now, but a lot of them, zero.
You just delete the word scary. Rest, I agree that I was
Okay,
I was
not
strict
scary.
disciplinarian and I was
Yes, okay, you were not scary. You were strict disciplinarian, but you have always been very friendly. Like, you've given me and Bhaiya that space to just come and share anything with you. So yeah, you've been a very good mix of cool but also strict. And so like our minds would always work in that direction. ये वाली बात बता सकते हैं, ये नहीं बता सकते. So yeah.
So, I learned a lot from my mother. When
Yeah.
I was growing up, I learned a lot from Nani ji, and Nani ji was a strict mother.
I've heard.
Oh, I was terrified of her. I was literally scared of her, and I was a punching bag also. To be honest, बहुत पिटाई खाई है मम्मी से मैंने. But
I think
as
that
a mother,
generation, all moms used to hit. Even you, like your generation also. हम सब पिटे हुए हैं. हम सारे बच्चे पिटे
this
हुए
is
हैं.
so embarrassing now.
Am I lying?
Then till the time I did not know कि मारना नहीं चाहिए. मैंने मारा भाई बहुत पिटा है, and I publicly apologizing to him today also.
Okay then,
Okay.
bro.
And I think this is about mom daughter relationship.
I promise we're not trying to scare you guys, but this is our mom not see. We've been through that. We've been through all of that, which is why we're this close today. So we're gonna talk about things that you did, things that I did that have
Yes,
brought
it's been a
us.
journey.
It's been a
It's been a
journey.
journey of ups and downs. And the biggest teacher in this journey has been my own mother because she was a fabulous, fantastic human being. But maybe she had her own emotional wounds with her mother. And this is how she was brought up. And this is how she thought that is the best way to bring up the children. So I was so scared of her that at a point I used to think when I was a teenager, that when I become a mom, I am going to be a very friendly mother to my children.
Yeah.
But right from childhood, वो एक दिन से develop नहीं हुआ. I know that I've been a strict mother, but मुझे जहाँ जहाँ लगता था कि strictness रखनी चाहिए, there were certain rules that were supposed to be followed. वहाँ पे मैं बहुत strict थी.
Correct.
But also, I was into developing a relationship with both you and Bhai, where I wanted me to be the first person to come if anything ever went wrong in your lives.
Yeah.
And I remember you both sending me different posts on different times in my life where you have said this thing that first person that comes to mind is you. So there as a mother, I feel there's an achievement.
Yeah.
It's a journey. As I said, it's a journey. It had its own ups and downs.
Yeah. Like you've been a good balance of strict and cool, but you've been more strict, less cool. But like I'll tell you, you were strict in the sense school से complain नहीं आनी चाहिए. Now I think because of that I didn't have fun only in school. Because of you, my school life was shitty. Like I don't, those kids who pass out and they go back and meet teachers. I have never done that because I didn't have a good school life, and that's because of you. But that was the opposite. That was like कोई बात नहीं, मैं आऊँगा, प्रिंसिपल बुलाएगा तो मैं आऊँगा. But we were like, नहीं मम्मी मारेगी आप तो आ जाओगे, आप भी पिटोगे मम्मा मैं हम सब पिटेंगे.
So I have studied in a convent.
Yeah.
So convent used to be like it was all about discipline and all the good things and thank yous and pleases and sorries,
Manners.
manners and all that stuff. So I have been my base has been convent only.
Yeah.
So you people studied in a public school. So I wanted to bring some convent in you guys because I know that when a convent bred person speaks to someone, that is something different. So that was my thinking at that time.
Yeah.
And I never liked complaints in भी चाहती नहीं थी कि व्हेन आई गो टू स्कूल इन द पीटीएम एंड तुम्हारे बच्चे ने ये किया, तुम्हारे बच्चे ने वो किया।
You should be like, हाँ किया है। तो क्या हो गया?
अब मैं कहती हूँ करो यार।
अब क्या? Now what? And honestly, all my friends, my in-laws, the cousins, everyone, they find it so hard to believe that you were a strict mother. And I keep telling, like, I swear I am not lying. My mom is very
I
strict.
evolved over time.
No, but you have to agree, admit that you were strict.
I publicly admit on this podcast that
I'm
yes,
not lying. There
I
she is.
I was a strict mother,
Yes. So,
honestly.
like, I had phases. Okay, I've told you this before, but I'm gonna say this again today. While growing up, like, say from class sixth until 12th, I did not like you. you were,
Thank you.
I've said this, I've used the strict word like 20 times, but you were very strict. And I had weird restrictions, okay? But at the same time, you were cool about the fact that if I have a new crush or, if I find some boy really cute, I could come and tell you. So that was a good thing. And anything else, like I could always come and speak to you about it. But then again, like no complaints from school. Or that was the part where you were strict about. But yeah, 6 to 12, I wasn't very fond of you. Okay. After that, there were a few.
Let's come to the 6 to 12 first.
Let's come to the 6.
Let's come 6 and 12
What
first.
do you wanna say?
So, class 6 to class 12 is the
Do
age.
not give out any details.
No, no. That is the age where, there are so many chances of slipping down into so many wrong things and wrong company and,
I
that
agree
peer
now.
pressure and all that stuff. So, as a mother, I had a hawk eye. To be
You
honest,
did.
I had a hawk eye. But I used to keep all my no's and yeses. I used to balance where to say no and where to say yes.
Yeah.
तो मैं छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों को मैं येस बोलती थी और 10 छोटी चीज़ों को येस बोला बट एक बड़ी चीज़ नो जैसे आई रिमेंबर आई नेवर अलाउड यू टू हैव अ नाइट ओवर।
Yeah, no
So that
night
was
stays.
so that was a big
Who
no-no.
doesn't allow night
In
stays?
class 6 to 12th, it was a big no for me. And for that thing, Bhai also suffered because he was also not allowed because rules were supposed to be same in the house.
Very bad.
हमारे घर में कभी
To all
ऐसा
the new
बेटा
moms,
बेटी वाला
please allow your kids to go on sleepovers. I promise. You know what girls do? They dress up and they put makeup. That's what they do. What do you think we do? Like even today.
Let me not go into it.
Um, so yeah.
So that was one thing I had made certain rules. And because of those rules, even I followed those rules as a mother that
कुछ अच्छा नहीं
if
किया वो rules बनाने. They were very stupid rules.
so okay, but the thing is you're a product of those rules only now.
And I
So
think
I
I
think
turned
I have
out fine.
explained the 6 to 12th wala age group जो था आपका कि
Chances
भाई I
of
was
getting,
strict,
yeah, in the wrong
slipping out in
company,
wrong
slipping.
company
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all
yeah.
those things.
I
And
get
at
it.
that time when you people were growing up, there was this those scandals of MMS and everything, and I used
Yeah,
to be scared like anything about it.
I remember. But yeah.
So I
Okay,
think
6
I
to 12.
gave an explanation for
See,
that.
you were, now I get it why you were strict, but you should have allowed sleepovers. Anyway, now moving to post 12th. That excitement of coming in college and school ending, and you're going to have that freedom. I had the freedom, but I didn't have it at the same time. Like you pushed me to learn driving, and then you were like, even if you learn how to drive, driver will go with you. So my friends used to make fun of me. They'd be like, imagine you're driving, driver is sitting in the front, car sitting at the back. I'm like, yeah, why the hell should I learn how to drive if this is what you're gonna do? So like I didn't get I had the freedom, but I didn't have it, like I said. But that's when I started liking you because you became like slightly cooler. The strictness went down. And that's when I was going through something which I shouldn't be saying on the podcast. But that's when you were very, very nice to me.
I've always been
You've
nice to
always
you.
been nice to me. But that's when I was like, okay, like, I
She's a
like
nice
her.
person. She's a nice person.
Before that, there was a love hate relationship, then it turned into love. Okay. And after college, and okay, forget after college. Once I got,
Let's come to the college part.
let's come to the car. Am I
Yeah, yeah.
like jumping
Yeah,
too much?
jumping.
Okay, start.
So let's come to the college part. So when Samriddhi went to the college, and now there was something that I wanted to give to her, which I never got was independence because I am a police officer's daughter, so there was lots and lots of restrictions, and in those times the brothers used to be very strict. Bhaiya is still very strict, and
My
Nani ji
bhaiya is
was very
smart.
strict, and so I always wanted her to go and find herself, find a space, grow as a human being, find her own individuality. So that's where I knew the boys are going to come in, the crushes are going to come in, some likings are going to come in. I never wanted her to hide things from me.
Yeah.
And that is something which that phase I really enjoyed with her. There have been, ups and downs in that phase of her life.
Yeah.
But then she came out very, very, very strong after all those episodes and
Because of
incidents in her
you.
life.
Like I always had you and Bhaiya and Papa as like a support, like I knew y'all are there.
So when you were in college, actually, Simriti, I was living my life through you.
Really?
Yeah, because I got married very young. I was
So
in
did I,
second year of
bro.
I was in second year of college. I was
Okay.
20 when I got married.
I was 22.
So वो 2 साल का ले लेते हैं. So I lived my college life through you.
Yeah.
And regarding the driver and the driving part, so let me clear it. It was only because कि यार तेरे को पार्किंग में गाड़ी ना लगानी पड़े. ड्राइवर पार्किंग
And
में लगाया
also the
नहीं होगा.
tire puncture. You were like,
या
पंक्चर हो जाएगी
पंक्चर
तो
हो
तू
जाएगा तो
बच
कैसे लगाएगी? इसको सब लोगों ने देखा हुआ ना ये कैसे पंक्चर लगा सकते हैं. She can't even lift a tire. हिलाना
No?
तो हिलाना. Can you lift a tire?
Can you?
No, I don't need to because I don't drive. Always have the
Neither do
driver.
I. But
So
yeah,
this is
college
the college.
college was
Yeah.
very bonded.
There was I remember you sitting down with nails रात में ये nail paint लगाना है सुबह कुछ और उतरा होता था like stage होता था. I was loving because she always had beautiful fingers and beautiful nails. तो बड़ा मजा आता था रात में कोई nail paint लगा रही है सुबह कोई और हो रहा है. सुबह 10 कपड़े निकलते थे ये पहनना ये पहनना ये पहनना फिर 15वां पहन के जाती थी. So बाद में कपड़े मैं ही संभाल रही होती थी.
Now
But I
you do
enjoyed.
that.
She took me to Sarojini also for shopping.
Yeah,
And she
that
just
was the
once
street shopping phase. Lajpat, Sarojini in Bombay used to go to Kolaba, all of that.
So
Yeah,
वो
we had
phase भी हमारा
phases.
रहा है यार. But I've
So
enjoyed each
college
and
was,
everything. Yeah.
yeah, which was your favorite phase with me? School, college,
College.
college. More than now.
No, this is best.
This is the best.
This is
But apart from this, like
yeah.
college.
Because when you were growing up, there were so many other responsibilities of the family also.
Yeah,
So
I
because
remember.
I was going through my slip disc phase also. I used to be in so much of pain, and then I was there, you were there, family responsibilities, and I was completely into the kitchen.
Correct.
So
We are
I
more
try
free
to give my
now.
best. I'm more free now. Yeah, that phase. I think every mother goes through those responsibilities. But you people have made me grow as an individual also.
You're welcome, mom.
So I got to know the do's and don'ts of being a good mommy.
Yeah.
So what you should do to be a good mommy, what you should not do to be a good mommy. So
Yeah.
the phase where I was a strict mother, I'm happy that I was a strict mother. I had those rules for you. I don't regret those things.
Yeah.
But one thing I regret is yeah, hitting you guys. That no one should. No one has got the right to hit anyone,
Yeah.
and no child should be hit by a parent or
Yeah. But I
किसी से
think
भी.
you didn't know any better. That's
I
what
didn't know because that was the way I was brought up. That
exactly,
chain, my
exactly. Someone
nanny
needs to
must have
break it.
brought up my mom like that, and my mom brought me like
Got
that.
you
Till
up
the
like
time
that.
I did not realize that this is so detrimental to the emotional health of a child. And then I took a U-turn. I took a complete U-turn.
Mom, this is India. This is India. जब तक तो थप्पड़ नहीं पड़ते बच्चा भी नहीं सीखता
But
है
I
यहाँ पे.
regret that. I completely regret that, and I feel guilty about it.
You do?
Yeah.
Chill, bro. It's okay.
Mm.
But what was I gonna say? I was gonna say
We
something.
finished the college phase. The next
We
phase.
finished the college phase. Then now comes the part where I started working with Papa.
Hmm.
And then I started dating. No, before we start this, I have to tell you, uh, you said that Bhaiya and I taught you a lot, like the do's and don'ts of being a mommy, a good mommy, things you should do, things you shouldn't do. My best friend and I have also learned a lot from you. Like we are not mothers, okay? But whenever we see a new mother doing this, we're like, ये तो हमें पता है अपने बच्चे के साथ ये नहीं करना चाहिए. Why the hell are you doing it? Because we've seen that around you. We've seen from, like you always say, whenever you meet someone, you either want to become like them, not become like them. There are qualities that you can
Yes.
pick up from them, or you can just leave them, that you
This is
don't.
not something that we
Yeah,
want to do.
exactly. So we've observed a lot around us. And I think in our heads, we are mommies. Like we are parenting every child we see. Like we see kids, I, sh- I think this is too controversial. I shouldn't be saying this. So let's move to the part which is post college.
Okay.
Okay. But this is the part where I started liking you even more because now that I'm working with Papa and Bhaiya, I have all the freedom. And you've become even nicer, right? So this was a fun part, but it didn't last very long because I got married very soon. I was 20 when I joined Papa, 21 when I started dating Nitesh. and then 22 when I got married. So before marriage, honestly, everything is such a like that time I think went by too fast.
We
Like
didn't have time in between your Roka and the wedding. It was
yeah,
barely 6 months.
I mean barely 6 months, but again, it flew too fast. Okay, and post shadi, I had so much respect for every woman who's ever gotten married. Like I'm like,
Let's come to this phase
yeah.
between like you joining dad's work and till your marriage.
Like,
So when you joined work, I was very happy because I wanted to do so much for myself. I had so many dreams when I got married. I was like second year of college, first year of college, I got engaged to your dad, and then second year of college, I got married. But I wanted to do MA English honors because English was always my favorite subject, and I didn't get the chance to go to the university. And I wanted to be a professor. First, I wanted to be a doctor. I didn't.
professor,
Yes, I didn't get admission in a medical college, but then I wanted to be a English ka
you're
professor.
almost a doctor in the family only. Like you know everything about all the medicines,
I think every mom
every
becomes a doctor.
disease.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Someone just said that to me yesterday. Once you become a mom, you become a doctor too.
I think Shubina
Shubina
mentioned.
Didi said.
So I wanted to do something, but then eventually I got married, and then I had bhai, and then you came, and with all the family
Best thing that happened
responsibilities,
to you, bro.
with all the responsibilities. So when you joined your dad and you were going on business trips with him, and you were going to the factory every day, so I was so proud that my daughter is like living the life of her dreams
Yeah.
because my dreams were like cut short because of certain destiny calling or something. But I was so happy that she's going to the office, she's going to the factory, she's
But
got
I
a
think you're
place.
living
She's
your dream now, which is even better,
yeah,
right?
yes,
Yeah.
that's so something different that I'm going to talk about.
Yeah.
When you started working with dad, and because I always wanted you and Bhai to develop a very strong bond with your father.
Yeah.
So for Bhai, Bhai and dad, I had always envisioned a bond as strong as Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and Abhishek Bachchan
How do
because
you
they
know
were
what they do at home? What if they're pulling each other's hair out?
so that so whatever I saw on screen and all the interviews. So I always gave that space to you guys to go and interact with dad. So I remember when you people used
But
to come
he's
and
been a
say,
very cool father. Like, you've
I
been,
worked very hard to make him cool. You
but
don't be
still
you
compared
don't
to
watch
you,
BTS.
I don't want to know for us. You're like, Papa cool hai, Mama strict. Yeah. But you guys did a lot of गंदा वाला टीम वर्क ओके एक दूसरे को आप दोनों आंखें दिखाते थे जो मैं और भैया
That's
देखते
not
थे
ganda wala teamwork. That's always a
दैट्स
good
वेरी
teamwork.
गंदा टीम वर्क लाइक विद गो टू दैट बेटा मम्मा को पूछो मम्मा के पास जाते थे बेटा पापा को पूछो आप हमें घुमाते रहते थे वेरी
So
बैड
I used to give the time to you guys to build that bond with him because I never wanted that I become the mediator or the bridge between the father and the children.
बट इन सम टॉपिक्स यू स्टिल हैड टू बी दैट
वो तो थोड़ा
समटाइम्स
सा इंटेलिजेंस यूज करनी पड़ती है ना
या
मम्मीज को.
या
So I'm very happy the bond that you people now have with your father. You don't people need me in between as a mediator or something. Whatever it is, you people
obviously
talk openly, and that is something which I wanted. You know, we all grow.
yeah
We parents also grow
correct
through our children.
correct
So that and then comes the phase when you started dating
Nitish, yes.
Ritesh.
You know, one second, I would like to go back to what you said that you also grow as parents. I was watching this TV show called This Is Us. I'm going to talk as if they've paid me to say this, but I genuinely love the show. I don't watch a lot of shows, right? But
Mhm.
that is one of my favorite shows. It's called This Is Us. Please watch it. And that's one show that's taught me a lot about married life, what to do as a couple. I'm not going to go into that segment, but in that show, there's this one line that one of the main leads says that having kids is the only chance you get at making another human better than you yourself, right? And that really stayed with me. So what you just said reminded me of that. So yeah,
You always want your kids to be the best version of yourself
better
because
than you.
we have not we like your dad had your own struggle his own struggles in life. I had
Yeah,
my own struggles challenges in my life.
yeah.
So we never wanted our kids to go through that. Every parent doesn't want the
Every
kids to go
parent
through
gives the
pain or
best to
something,
their kids.
you
They
know.
do.
But at the same time I would say that if a parent has got some experience, हम अपने experience से बोलते हैं नहीं बेटा ऐसा नहीं करना, तो जरूरी नहीं होता कि बच्चों को भी वो experience हो.
Hmm.
They're going to have their own experiences and their own learnings, and as a parent we should give the kids the right to experience life their
Make
own way,
mistakes.
make mistakes, and have your own learnings. Those
Correct.
learnings might not be the same as us parents,
Yeah.
but those learnings are going to be learnings for them.
As
So we should
individuals.
respect whatever the child, like, my viewpoint on the same situation might not be the same as yours, but as a parent I can only give you that respect. Okay, you have to
Go
handle it.
and
And
make
as a
mistakes.
parent, I always have this thing in my back of my mind, बेटा मैं तो बैठी हूँ ना संभालने के लिए,
Exactly.
तो कर लो जो करना है, मैं
Yeah.
रायता संभाल लूँगी।
Yeah.
So that thing is there।
That's why भैया और मैंने बहुत खिलाया भी है। But yeah.
होना चाहिए ना, फिर
Yeah.
कहते हो कि लाइफ में किस्से नहीं है स्कूल के, तो अब के किस्से, बड़े बड़े होने के
अब
बाद के तो
क्या?
किस्से हैं।
अब तो क्या है? स्कूल तो स्कूल होता है।
आई रिमेंबर भाई वंस टेलिंग मी कि मम्मा आप ना छोटी-छोटी बातों में डाँटती हो, लाइक जल्दी उठो, ऑफिस टाइम पे जाओ। पहले बोला था उसने मुझे, बहुत पहले, व्हेन आई वाज़ इन बॉम्बे।
Yeah.
बट ही हैड शेयर्ड समथिंग विद मी एंड आई हैव शेयर्ड समथिंग सो बिग विद यू एंड यू आर सो कूल एंड कंफर्टेबल एंड आई जस्ट सेड हिम, "मैम दिस इज़ लाइफ।" वो एपिसोड हो गया, आपने उससे सीख लिया।
Yeah.
So it's good that you learned and you've moved on and you are a better human being now, a better man now. So उसको बहुत वो लगा कि मम्मी उसको, because he was feeling कि शायद मम्मा को react करेगी, but this is what life is all about.
Mm.
It is going to teach you. It's still teaching us, all of
Yes.
us. We all are here to learn our own lessons in life. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay. Then came the dating phase.
Yeah,
Yes.
it
Then
was the first one.
yeah, the
Get to know.
first to get to know, mom, you used to jump on my head. You used to you didn't know what personal space was, okay? You're like a golden retriever in human form. Everywhere I'm going, you're following me to
That
the
means
bathroom,
I'm cute also.
you're cute, you're adorable, but you don't know how to give space, bro. Now
I'm a
you
golden
know.
retriever.
You're a golden retriever, like bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, with friends, without friends. You are just there, like glued to me. I used to be like, in the morning, I had to pretend that I'm asleep because I knew the minute I wake up, you're going to come and you sit there and you won't move. Right?
यार आई यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर यू टू वेक अप बिकॉज़ मेरे को तेरे को किस करना होता था यार, मेरे को हग करना होता था, स्क्विशी करना होता था।
Please.
मैं आई यूज्ड मेरी उठी क्यों नहीं अभी तक? देन आई यूज्ड आई
मतलब
यूज्ड
निकल के आ रहा है
आई यूज्ड टू आस्क फॉर योर परमिशन। बेबू मैं आपको किस कर लूँ? मैं आपको हग कर लूँ? बिकॉज़ आई डिडन्ट नो हाउ यू गोना रिएक्ट।
Yeah, mom, imagine. First, I'm not a morning
बट
person. 1 second.
one thing is there, you always woke up with a smile. So that's why me and dad named you Smiley Baby. So
Yeah,
तो ये होता था स्माइली बेबी उठ गई।
smiley baby.
स्माइली बेबी को तो यार
But
cuddle
I'm
करने का,
not
हग करने का
a
बहुत
morning
मन
person,
करता है।
okay?
आई नो
When I
दैट।
wake up, I like to be alone. Okay, but you used to be, hey, good morning.
Because I used to wake up at 5 in the morning. For
That
me, 9
sounds
o'clock
like a
used to
you
be half
problem.
day.
That sounds like a you problem. But yeah, so that then came the dating phase, okay? And
I'm remembering that
what?
particular moment at the Doha airport.
Doha Airport, yeah. So you said that, wow, I came and told you. No, I didn't tell you because you were chip code to me. You found out. So, for-
I
uh,
just asked you,
who are you
who are
texting?
you texting?
Give give the audience a little context. We were flying back from US to India.
Mhm.
We had a layover in Doha, and that's where Nitesh and I we just started talking, okay? And I was updating him like, wow, I've reached Doha, and he's like, oh my god, you're halfway here, more than halfway here. And you
You
caught
know
me
how I caught you?
smiling.
Because you were smiling.
Yeah, you caught me smiling and texting, and you were like, who are you texting? And that
No,
time,
I didn't make that face. I said, Billy, किसको
yeah.
text करिए smile करते करते?
And
You
just
said
to take
you
your
said a
face,
boy.
no, I said, a boy I met on Tinder. Remember, I said, just to see,
I don't
yeah, yeah.
remember
I
that.
said, a boy I met on Tinder. I had never been on Tinder, but just to take your
But I
case,
didn't
you didn't have a
give any.
problem. Yeah.
No, I didn't have any. I didn't give any importance. But I knew you can never ever be on Tinder.
Yeah.
Knew that.
But I obviously never was on dating apps. But yeah, I met him and I was talking to him, and you caught me smiling and texting. That's how you found out. Yeah.
So I asked you, सिर्फ बिल्ली किससे हंस-हंस के बातें कर रही है?
Yeah.
You said boy. मैं कहा
Yeah.
आई नो, तभी तो स्माइल निकल रही है। So you said, I asked you कौन है? You said मैं नहीं बताऊँगी आपको। मैं कहा अच्छा नाम तो बता दे।
Yeah.
Said आप गूगल करके निकाल लोगे उसका, because you put
Oh
anyone's name on Google,
God.
कुछ ना कुछ तो
My
इन्फॉर्मेशन
mom
निकल आती है।
should work for the
But I think
FBI.
this just went on for 10 minutes.
Then
And
I
once we
told
were
you,
about to board the flight and when we went to the washroom, we said, okay,
I'll tell you.
I'll tell you.
I didn't tell you the name, I showed you the picture. And as soon as I showed you the picture
No,
from that
you
party,
you told me, do you remember? I met that watermelon shirt guy.
yeah. Yeah.
Then I said, "Okay, ये
That's how
लड़का
you
है,
knew.
ये लड़का है."
Yeah. So yeah, but I think the time between dating and me getting married was too short. Like I didn't one and a
I
half
think let's
years.
talk about the dating part also, because many mothers, they feel that dating is wrong, or if you're dating someone, that is the guy that you should get married to
Yeah.
eventually.
Yeah.
I completely disagree, because till you don't meet a guy, till you don't know
Or a
a
girl,
girl, anyone,
whoever, a
yeah, yeah, till you
partner.
don't spend some time, get to know each other, it's a matter of your life.
Yeah.
So आप 2-4 मीटिंग्स में या 2-4-5 महीने डेट करके किसी को, एट टाइम्स यू गेट टू नो,
Yeah.
बट आई ऑलवेज फील कि यू शुड मीट पीपल, यू शुड डेट पीपल, गेट टू नो कि आपके साथ कहाँ सिस्टम जेल हो रहा है, कहाँ पे किसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बन रही है, एंड देन you choose your life partner very wisely.
Exactly.
So that's
I
why when
think
you
dating
told me
is
that,
very
"Mama, I will go
important.
and meet him for lunch," I said, "Better go and meet him, because
Yeah.
till you don't meet him, you won't get to know." But I
Exactly.
just said one thing: don't commit anything too
Commit.
soon.
Yeah.
You are too young.
Yeah.
Be
I
financially
was
independent first. This
21.
is,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
But I obviously didn't listen to you.
But you made a sensible
Of
choice.
course I
Let's say he's a
did.
cutie pie. Yeah,
I know, of course.
best thing.
Yeah.
So
But yeah, I think moms should really have a different perspective. Like they should be open to their kids dating. That's
very,
how
very
it's
open.
a
Should.
way of
It's not
meeting
moms. It's
people.
like parents should be open to this thing.
Yeah,
And I think our
parents.
generation is now more open towards it. The children
Your
dating.
generation.
Yeah, yeah. Now they
I
are
think
more
it's
open to it.
50-50. It's still 50-50.
Okay.
But yeah, I think dating is very important. That's how you meet people. That's how you get to know
Get to know them.
what you want and what you don't want in a partner. And
And another thing I want to say to your generation, it's okay to have a heartbreak,
yeah, you must have a heart to
because
heartbreak.
you grow as a person after heartbreak. You
Then
get
you
to know.
appreciate the right person so much
Yes.
more. Yeah.
So, this is an attempt by me and Simriddhi to bring out, it's not about our story, it's Hum Sabki story. All the mothers out there and all the daughters over there. So, I just want to convey this message through this podcast or this show that we are doing, that please spend some time with each other. All the mummies and all the babies, spend some time with each other, क्योंकि आपस में दोस्ती करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम लोग सब रिश्ते निभाते हैं, हम बहुत दुनिया को टाइम देते हैं, सोशल सर्कल को टाइम देते हैं, एंड देन एट टाइम्स आई हैव सीन मदर्स माय एज कंप्लेनिंग, बच्चे टाइम नहीं देते हैं, एंड आई नेवर कंप्लेन टू सिद्धांत एंड स्मृति कि मेरे को टाइम नहीं देते, बिकॉज़ एक तो बॉन्डिंग बहुत स्ट्रांग बनाई है, देन सेकंडली आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माय ओन ड्रीम्स आल्सो, but that bonding where you want the child to come and sit with you, you have to take the first step. You have to make that effort. You have to make the child feel very, very comfortable. And you know, when you give that happy and open space to your daughter or your son at home, where they don't feel the need to go out and share things. Okay, दोस्ती निभानी है, बाहर फ्रेंड्स के साथ है, but then you know there are so much of innermost things, turmoils उनके चल रहे होते हैं, challenges होते हैं, उनको बस एक safe space चाहिए होती है कि जहाँ पर उनको जज ना किया जाए, जहाँ पर उनको वो सपोर्ट पूरा दिया जाए, जहाँ पर वो इमोशनली सेफ फील करें।
Correct.
नथिंग नथिंग बेटर दैन अ पेरेंट एंड नथिंग बेटर दैन अ मदर
And home.
एंड होम ऑफ
That
कोर्स।
feeling of home that I can tell this person anything and I know I'm safe. Like nothing,
नॉट बीइंग जज्ड।
not being judged. I'm safe. I can mess up big time and this person is going to handle it and take care of it. But yeah, I think that's my message too. I agree that moms should take the first step always. Give your kids that space where they can come and talk to you about anything. For that, you need to have an open mind. You can't, if you're strict about it, they will obviously going to find that solace somewhere else, right? So give them that space. And for all the daughters, make time for your mothers. Like do a simple thing like a mother daughter lunch. Keep a ritual, have a ritual. Like mom and I have so many rituals. Like we do skincare together, we share makeup, we go shopping, we go for lunch dates. Now we're planning just a holiday, like just for the two of us. So we'll do that, but that's too far fetched for now. I think if you want to work on your bond with your mom, just go for a simple lunch date and just communicate, just talk. Let them know what's happening in your life and ask them, you know. So I think that's a good start. And if you guys do that, take a picture, tag us, and would be more than happy to repost it.
And this
Okay.
is just the beginning.
We
And
have.
this journey has just started. And let's
Uh,
keep on moving forward. Let's see how this show turns up, because
it was.
this is an attempt straight from the heart of a mother and a daughter
Yes.
to bring more mothers and daughters closer and closer and closer to each other.
Lots of love.